Learn how to lock your Facebook profile just like this. You may be wondering how to do this. This video will show you every step. To do this, make sure you are using the main Facebook app and not Lite. If you don't have the main Facebook app, open the Play Store app on your phone. Hit that subscribe button below. It encourages us to make more videos. Click on the search icon below. Click on the search bar and next type Facebook. Check below description for other videos. Also, click the join button to become a member of this channel and get access to premium software and exclusive tips. Click on the install button and wait for installation to complete. Let me speed up. Click on the open button to launch Facebook app. Click on already have an account to log in your existing account. Fill all required information and next click on login button. Wait for account to log in. Tap on your profile, the section that displays your image. Click on the three dotted icons. Look carefully and select the option that says Lock Profile. Below, click on the section that says Lock Your Profile. This will lock your profile, so no one can screenshot or view it unless they're your friend. Subscribe if this helped you. To undo this, go back to your profile. Click on the three dotted icons. Now click on Unlock Profile. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video.